My name is Dariun Kongji and I'm from Shillong. So today I'm going to make a veg pakora with a particular kind of vegetable leaf. So let's just have a look. So I'm going to plug this veg leaf. Let's have a look. This kind of leaf. It's called a tree spinach. So first of all, you wash it. After you wash it, so I'll cut it in a small pieces. So I have cut this ingredients of this vegetable pakora. Is a besan, 1 cup of besan, green chili, red chili powder, salt. So now I'm going to pour this besan, 1 cup of besan, red chili powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, and half teaspoon of salt. Three spinach. Hot water. Mixing with this. So now I'll heat up. Now I'm going to heat the oil. I have to pour more oil, around 1 cup of oil, because I'm going to deep fry of this veg pakora. Now the oil is already heated. I'm going to fry this in deep fry. So now you can see the pakora is ready within 15 minutes full cook with a low flame. So I'm going to take this in a bowl. So now the pakora is ready. You can eat it now with you can serve it with a sauce, chili sauce or sweet sauce or whatever you want to like it. You can serve it.